What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 10 and today's topic will be how to read and respond to an incoming message which contains a media file. For example, you are sending a message to the bot with some image file, and the goal or objective of this tutorial to read that image file and respond to that message with the same image file. So the ultimate goal is till now we have already dealt with some sort of text message. Based on the text message we created some sort of logic, and based on that logic we did some sort of calculation. We get some data from the database, and we did respond to the incoming message. But in this tutorial we are dealing with some sort of image file. Let's say our ultimate objective is to that how to read some data which is available within the image file, and after that, depending on the data available in the image file, do some sort of like calculation. So before doing that, we need to understand how to read image file, or how to read an media file which is actually coming as an incoming message. Okay, so this is a prerequisite. I'm not going to continue this thing here. Actually, you have already discussed this thing. So if someone is watching this video for the first time, can go back to our original playlist from Udemy, and all those tutorials are there actually. Or if someone is watching this thing from the YouTube, I have already uploaded those videos as well. So next thing, the flow also I have explained in my earlier videos. And this is actual scenario: receive an incoming message with an image, and the goal is that to respond to that message with the same image. So this is the objective. Okay, so let me open my ID, so without wasting much time. Okay, so I think let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, fine. So first thing, we'll be going to import the necessary libraries. So I believe all of you know what is required. So it will be from Flask, import Flask. Okay, and another thing will be request. Okay, and then it will be from twilio dot twiml, then dot messaging response, import message response. Okay, so this is important. I believe I don't need anything else. So if something is required, we'll do it. So next thing is that app bot, just going to give a name. Okay, so name of our bot is app bot. Okay, and this is going to Flask. Okay, and this is going to be dunder name dunder. So this is actually name, this notation is known as dunder, and after that we have to create this what do you say, this thing, decorator. Okay, so this is going to be appbot dot route, and let's say this is going to be let's say reply. No, just make it as SMS, cause in our twilio like dashboard I just used this URL, so that is I'm not going to change this thing. Okay, so it will going to be methods, and after that it will be get and post. Right. Okay, so now we'll be going to define this one function. Okay, like this, and our original code will start from here. Okay, so first thing first, we need to get the number from the user response. So it will be request dot from dot get. This will be form dot get, and this will be actually from. Okay, so we'll print this thing now. So sometime twilio doesn't work, so we'll check this thing first, what is happening. So let's just print num, and after that we'll deal with this other thing. So if underscore underscore if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to underscore underscore main, then app.bot dot run. Okay, so in this way we can run our program. So I believe all of you are familiar with this thing, right? So I have to give this thing. Okay, so if I run this thing, it will work, and I will try to send a message and we'll get the number here. Okay, so from which number I'm sending this message, and I'm not going to give any return over here. So in that case, actually this function is not going to work. Means going to work means it will throw an error, but it will print the number first. Okay, so let me run this thing. So it is running, and in my twilio console, if you see, the hook is running here. Okay, so already it is running in 5000 ports. So let me just go back and send one message to my WhatsApp. So let me just minimize this thing and let me open WhatsApp. So my WhatsApp is here actually. So let's type hi. So I'm sending hi. In return I should get my number over here. Okay, see, I got the number just because I'm not having any return here, so I got some error. So this is normal, function did not return any value. So the thing is that I have some values now, so now I have to like replace those things actually. So I have to replace, so this is going to be num equals to num dot replace. So this is usual thing. So I believe I'm doing this thing same for last more than 10 times maybe. Okay, so I have to replace this thing actually with nothing, right? This normal Python operation, so like this. Okay, so I got the num. So now next thing is that I have to get the message text. So it will be message text equals to same thing, but in place of from we'll get body. Okay, so this is going to be body. Okay, and now one interesting thing will that we'll see how to get the number, sorry, the media message. Okay, so for that let's print this thing actually. So what are the things are there for this thing? Okay, so let's print this thing, we'll understand actually. So print this form. Okay, so let me just think. Okay, so we'll see what is going to happen. Okay, so let me run this code again. So I will get some error, but that is not the main objective. So let's keep this thing open here like this. Okay, and let's try to send something here. Let's hi. So I send hi again. Actually I haven't executed that thing, forgot to execute. Okay, it's running. So let me send hi again. So I will get something here, hi. So I send hi, see, I got something. So let me open and check. Okay, see, I got this thing, immutable dictionary. So this is the immutable dictionary. So see, number of media is 0 just because I'm not attaching anything. So now what I'll do, I'll try to do something. So let me just do one thing. Let me return something hello. So this time this should not throw any error. Okay, so let me run this thing. Okay, so this is running. So what I'll do, I'll try to send some image here. Okay, so what I'll do now, so just this is our channel logo. So let me just send this thing. So this is send. Now check it here. Okay, we got something, return is not defined, that is fine, we got some error. Okay, so re Okay, I just did a mistake. Okay, let's run this thing again. So this is working fine. So let's try to send this image file again. Okay, send, message is sent. See here now. Immutable this. See, I got an image with a JPEG extension. This is coming. Okay, media content is image, everything is coming. See, number of media this, and the interesting part is that how to get the image. It is actually here in URL, this URL, and the key of this thing is this one, media URL. So what I'll do, I'll show you guys this interesting thing. Okay, here just give me a moment so I can show you how to get this thing. So let's do one thing. Let's print this thing dot get, then this one. Okay, let's print this thing, so it will only print the URL. Okay, I think I have to print like this. Remove. Let's run this thing. It's working. Let's do it again. Okay, so I'll be doing it very slowly so that you guys can easily understand what is happening. So it's done, so I'll get the URL here. So this is the URL. Okay, so I can tell you guys, this is the actual URL of this image. It is actually hosted on AWS cloud. So if I copy this URL, go to here and print this thing, see the same image is coming. Okay, so now we got our image file. Now next objective is that we have to return respond to this message with the same image file. So it will be like media underscore URL, so like this. Okay, so we got the media URL. Now you have to create the message object first. Okay, so it will be message equals to messaging response. Okay, like this. Then response equals to msg dot message. So we'll put some text here. Okay, image sent by num. Okay, and dot this media, actually media will be attached, media URL, and after that we have to just return this thing, return str msg, right? So when you are going to send this message, the attached media file also will be sent, and this will be before the message there will be this thing, image sent by my number will be there. Okay, so let's try to run this thing now. So this is normal thing actually, guys, whatever we are doing in the last tutorial, the same thing, but only different part is that we actually learn something new in this tutorial. So this is a new thing. Okay, so this is done. So let me execute this thing. So this is working. So now next thing is that we'll be going to, so if I send this message, I'll get this same message back, and it will be there will be some prefix with that sentence, that message sent by this number, something like that. Okay, whatever I've written. Okay, so let's try to check if our code is working. So I've sent the message, it's sent. Now we should receive the same message again, but this it took actually some time due to my internet connectivity, but it's working fine. See, image sent by, my number is there, I got the same image. Just to re-verify this thing that everything is working fine, so you can image sent by, yeah, just change this thing, this image, and let's stop this thing. Okay, and try to run this code again, and let's do it again. And okay, so let's see how it is going to work. It will take some time, 1 or 2 seconds, but it will reply. So let's try to do it with more than one image. Okay, so hopefully this will also work. So I'll put this thing, and that's this two image I'll be going to send. So I'll be going to get, see, so this 2 image I'm sending, so I should get the same 2 image back as a reply. Okay, so I'm sending this 2 image, so in response to this message the bot should reply with the same message actually. Okay, so I got one, I got the second one. See, it is working fine. So this is a new learning, guys. This is going to be very useful, because for example, as I told you, sir, we are going to deal with some sort of like cab booking or some sort of telemedicine bot. In the telemedicine bot, like end user will going to upload their prescription in the image file. Just take a photo from mobile and send it via WhatsApp. So your job is to read that image file, get the data from the image file, you applying some sort of computer vision, and after that you have to put the order in the order queue with the correct name of the medicine. So, or example, this is going to be very complex. Initially we'll start with simple like bot like cab booking or something like that, but before doing that, this is the basic building blocks of those tutorials: how to read media files, how to read image file, how to read text file, how to read PDF file. Those sub media related operation will be going to do that. So that is why I actually created this tutorial. Okay, so this is going to be very simple, but will be very effective in the later part. Okay, so let me just explain this code once again. So this is going to be same thing, I don't need to explain this thing, but here the actual magic, like 90% code is same, only thing is this thing. What is the media URL? You have to know that, that's it. And once you know this thing, you will be easily able to respond with that media URL. So let me just quickly copy this thing. Okay, or else I will forget to put this in the slide. Okay, and let me create a duplicate slide. I think remove this thing and this thing as well, just copy this thing. Okay, I should just make it a bit smaller. Okay, let's make it 14. Yes, 14 is fine. Okay, so that's it, guys. I can change the code actually. Looks okay. Bold, make it 16. Yeah, this is fine. The code is fine. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll continue the series in the next video. So in the next video, what I'll be doing, so now we actually read the image file and we have replied to the image file, but you see we haven't saved the image file in our computer or any other file system in our machine actually. Okay, so in the next tutorial, what we'll see, whatever is the response from the user side to the bot, will read that image file, will save the image file. So saving will be done in the next tutorial, how to save that media file actually. Okay, so next tutorial also will be going to use the image file as well, and from the next tutorial onwards we'll be going to work with different sort of media file, for example PDA, PowerPoint, PPT or video file, whatever. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Please let me know your feedback or put some comments in the comment section as well, so I'll be able to understand what is working for you guys, or you guys need any additional help, or what are the different use cases you guys want me to cover. Okay, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, so you should not miss any notification from the next time. And thank you very much for all the Udemy students for purchasing this course. It's actually helping me a lot, and same thing is applicable for all of you. If you guys are facing any difficulties, doubt, or need any like clarification, please feel free to write me over Udemy. I'll be always there to answer your questions. So that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.